Hi there, Nadia Touch here, coaching by Nadia. Today, the tip of the day is how to utilize gravity when you exercise. It's actually safety tip number one for safe exercise. I'm going to stand up and I'm going to lead you through looking at your body. Imagine when you see the tree in the park. The tree, doesn't matter how crooked it is, it's still standing up and using gravity. Even though the wind is blowing, the tree is there. And here's how we utilize gravity for safe exercise. It's actually aspect number one to understand. So if you look at your body, the body has right side, left side, top side, bottom side, and you can also cut it in half when you rotate. So we need to utilize the gravity when we move and do any kind of particular movement in order to do the safe exercise. So I'm moving forward, aligning my body left and right. I'm moving sideways, aligning my body front and back. And I'm rotating, aligning my body from top to bottom, intersecting my body in half. So when you use the gravity, think about gravity moving from the middle of the top of your head through the center of your body all the way in between your legs. So whatever you do, you transition the gravity in the place where it needs to go in your body and not modifying it in order to help you. Okay, so think about always utilizing the gravity in the alignment of your body. Okay, I know this is quite a bit. So if you have any actions, please do connect with me, coachingbynadia.com, and this is how to utilize gravity for your safe exercise.